5 optical illusions that can trick your brain. Part 2. Warning. Some of these images may cause dizziness. Caution is also advised for those with light sensitivity. Number 1. Troxler effect. Concentric circles contain yellow, purple, and pink circles. The image is blurred and appears to shake slightly. An example of the Troxler effect. The Troxler effect, or Troxler fading, is a disappearing optical illusion in which images start to vanish when you look at them. Try staring at the center of the image above for 20 seconds. If the effect works, you should see the surrounding colors in your periphery begin to fade to white. Swiss physician and polymath Ignaz Paul Vital Troxler discovered the Troxler effect at the beginning of the 19th century. Troxler hypothesized that details in a person's peripheral vision start to fade when they focus on an unchanging stimulus for a prolonged period. This could be because our brains are so good at adapting to new stimuli that they begin to ignore non-essential information. Number 2. Ehrenstein illusion. Black crosses over a white background. An example of the Ehrenstein illusion. Do you see white circles in the image above? The circles aren't there, but your brain fills in the gaps where the lines are about to intersect and perceives bright circles. The physiological mechanisms behind why the human brain fills in blind spots like this are unclear, according to the Illusions Index. This is an example of the Ehrenstein illusion. German psychologist Walter Ehrenstein introduced this type of illusion in the 20th century, hence the name. Number 3. Expanding hole. Small black ovals over a white background. A large black oval covers the middle of the image and a gray shadow surrounds it. Illusorily expanding holes trick your brain into perceiving motion. The expanding hole image is a type of illusionary expanding hole that gives the impression that the dark part of the image is expanding. In reality, the image is static, and the movement is an illusion. Researchers have suggested that the effect occurs because the image tricks our brains into thinking we are moving into a darkened space, so we perceive a change in brightness that doesn't exist. Essentially, what happens is that the natural reaction in the brain that predicts light change is hijacked by the illusion. It doesn't work for everyone. Number 4. Neon color spreading illusion. An example of the neon color spreading illusion. Here, 4 black circles are beside each other in a square shape. Each circle contains a series of progressively smaller circles within it. In the center, there appears to be a patch of green in the shape of a circle. The background of the whole image is white, an example of a neon color spreading illusion. Neon color spreading illusions are patterns featuring some lines that are a different color from the rest, which our brains perceive as a solid shape. Look at the image above, and you'll likely see a bright, lime green circle within the patterns. It's not entirely clear why our brains fill in the gaps to create the outline of a shape in illusions like this one. Number 5. Wundt illusion. 2 vertical red lines appear to bend toward one another. They are in front of a white background and a blue diamond with smaller diamonds inside of it. All diamonds are connected at the left and right corners. A straight line connects those 2 corners also. The Wundt illusion. A pair of straight vertical lines appear to bend towards each other in the Wundt illusion. This geometric optical illusion is an inverted design of the hearing illusion, in which blue spokes radiate out from the center of the image, giving the illusion that the bars are bending away from each other. One possible explanation for the Wundt illusion is that our perceptual systems tend to expand acute angles, making them appear larger than they are and creating the impression that the red lines are bending inward, according to the Illusions Index. The Wundt illusion is named after German psychologist Wilhelm Wundt, who first published the design in 1896, according to Oxford Reference. These are the 5 optical illusions that can trick your mind. Follow for more amazing videos.